Have you ever found yourself in a parking lot, ready to hit the road, only to discover your car battery is dead? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to jump-start a car using jumper cables. Whether you're a seasoned driver or new to car maintenance. First things first, let's identify the tools you'll need. You'll require a set of jumper cables and another vehicle with a good battery. Make sure both cars are turned off and their parking brakes are engaged. Safety is our top priority. Now let's get started. Begin by opening the hoods of both cars and locating their batteries. Usually they're at the front, but sometimes they might be in the trunk. Once located, identify the positive and negative terminals. The positive is marked with a plus sign and is often red, while the negative is marked with a minus sign and is usually black. Next, connect the jumper cables. Start by attaching one end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Then, connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the good battery. Now, take the black cable and attach one end to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, connect the other end of the black cable to an unpainted metal surface on the car with the dead battery. This acts as a ground and helps prevent any sparks. Once everything is connected, start the engine of the car with the good battery and let it run for a few minutes. This will allow the dead battery to charge. After a few minutes, try starting the car with the dead battery. If it starts, fantastic. Let both cars run for a bit to ensure the dead battery gets charged. Next, remove the red cable from the good battery, and finally, from the once dead battery. Remember, do this cautiously to avoid any accidental contact between the cable ends. And there you have it, a successfully jump-started car. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching our video. If you learned something new, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your loved ones. And if you want to keep mastering new skills every day, make sure to subscribe to our channel, because learning is the future, and the future starts now.